Hello, welcome to American School of English Language, guys. Today in this video, we will talk about what is English grammar and how many parts it has. But before we proceed, please subscribe my channel so you could receive weekly updates about my channel. So let's proceed, guys. English grammar has three parts: parts of speech, inflection, and syntax. Each of these is a distinct means separate individual part, but they are intrinsically linked together in meaning. This means they all work together to form coherent written or spoken communication. So let's talk about each of these parts. Parts of speech. Guys, this video is about the general overview. I will make a different videos about each of these parts so you will know about these parts in detail. So this is just a brief overview. Parts of speech. The parts of speech are the categories to which different words are assigned based on their meaning, structure, and function in a sentence. The parts of speech has seven parts: nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjective. This is adjective. The D is silent. Adjectives, adverbs, preposition, and conjunction. So they basically say seven main parts of part of speech. But there are other categories of words that do not easily fit in with the rest, such as particles, determiners, interjection, and gerund. They are not basically part of speech, but we can also study them as like semi parts of speech. So let's talk about the other part now. Inflection. And what is inflection, guys? Inflection is the process by which words are changed to create new specific meanings. There are two categories of inflection: conjugation and declension. Let's see each of them individually. What is conjugation? Conjugation refers to the inflection of a verb. When we change the verb from present tense to past tense is an example of conjugation. For example, present, past, and past part. These are the conjugation of a verb. Like go is a verb, is changed into past went and past participle gone. This is the conjugation of the verb. These are the conjugation of the verb, right? So the same way, eat is a verb, is a present form. Like is past is ate and past participle eaten. So this is the conjugation of the verb eat. Let's see what is declension now. Declension refers to the inflection of nouns, pronouns, adjectives, and adverbs. When we make a non plural to show that there are more than one, or when we change the degree of an adjective from a comparative to superlative, is an also example of conjugation. Like flower is a noun, is plural is flower. That's the declension of non flower. Beautiful is an adjective, so most beautiful is superlative form. So this is also the declension of adjective beautiful. Let's see what is the next part of English grammar. Syntax is the next part of English grammar. Syntax focuses on the rules and pattern that govern how we structure sentences. There are the following categories in the syntax: subjects and predicates, modifiers, phrases, clauses, and sentences. Guys, if struggling in your writing, if you struggling to make proper sentences, then this is the part you need to focus: syntax. So each of these modified phrases, clauses have many different parts. So we will talk about them in detail in different video. Thanks for watching my video.